then it would go ahead and continue to open new orders. So while OpenAI is pretty smart and can write code, you have to be very, very specific and kind of know what to look for. So if you don't know how to code yet, I would recommend just learning, because it's not that hard. I didn't go to school for it. I didn't go to any boot camps or anything like that. I just learned on the internet, and now I'm just coding every single day, new algos, new tweaks to my algos. And I try to put all the code inside the bootcamp, and that's all accessed below. And then in Discord as well. So you get access to the Discord, which is pretty neat as well. But 2023 is going to be the year of machine learning and AI for algo trading for the crew that's with me. So I don't know how long I will be sharing this information and sharing my tweaks that are on top of OpenAI. This is just kind of a sample, right? Because this is what OpenAI has launched with ChatGPT 3, but I think this is just a start.